On today's podcast, we'll cover week 4 of 4 on respiratory protection and airborne hazards. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. Let's talk about something you don't see but definitely feel. Airborne hazards. Dust, fumes, mists, vapors, the stuff that hangs in the air and messes with your lungs if you're not protected. That's where your respirator comes in. But a respirator's only as good as the condition it's in. Week 4 of this process is all about cleaning, storage, and responsibility when it comes to respiratory protection. And we're not throwing on a mask and calling it good. You've got to take care of your gear if you want it to take care of you. And here are a few things that you can do to lock it in when dealing with respirators on the floor. Number 1, you want to clean it after each use. Sweat, dust, oils, your respirator is going to collect a lot during the day. Always clean it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Use mild soap and warm water and skip the harsh chemicals. They'll damage the material and reduce protection. Number 2, you want to store it in the right way. Don't toss it in your locker or throw it on a dusty shelf. Store respirators in sealed containers or bags. Keep them dry, away from direct sunlight, chemicals, or anything that might cause contamination or damage. Number 3, you want to replace your filters regularly. You'll know when it's time because breathing is going to start feeling harder or you're going to be catching more odors than usual. Don't wait until you're gasping. Swap filters based on the schedule that your facility recommends or sooner if needed. Number 4, you want to check your gear every time you use it. Before each use, do a real quick check. Look for cracks, dry rot, worn straps, or missing valves. If something feels off, it probably is. Don't use it. And last but not least, number 5, take foul gear out of the game. If a respirator is damaged, expired, or questionable in any way, tag it, report it, and pull it from service, no exceptions. And as always, these are potential tips. Please be sure to follow the rules and regulations of your specific facility or, again, the manufacturer's recommendations. Respiratory protection isn't just about what you wear, it's about how you care for it. A clean, well-managed, and well-maintained respirator means that you're getting the whole level of protection every time you put it on. It means fewer health risks and more time getting the job done right. A strong safety culture is going to depend on personal responsibility. That means keeping your gear clean, storing it safely, and replacing it when needed. And knowing that your health depends on the steps you take before your shift even starts. And thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe. Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.